You need to watch this if you struggle with fighter jet coordinates. Get ready to master them in just 60 seconds. Fighter jets navigate the skies at breakneck speeds, and knowing their exact position is crucial. Let's break down longitude and latitude. Longitude lines run north to south like invisible poles. They're measured in degrees, from 0 degrees at the prime meridian to 180 degrees east or west. Imagine slicing the Earth like an orange. Longitude tells you your east-west position. Now, latitude lines are like the rungs of a ladder. They run parallel to the equator, ranging from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees at the poles. Latitude tells you your north-south position. Put them together, and you've got a precise global address. Just like a fighter jet, zipping through the sky needs exact coordinates to stay on course. So next time you watch those jets soar, remember, it's all about longitude and latitude. And now, you know how they navigate the world. Stay tuned for more high-flying info. Keep exploring the skies.